One of the reasons I can be on the beach with my family on a Tuesday in the middle of the day, working day, is partly because of my coaching business and partly because of YouTube. This video, I really want to encourage you, if this is something you want to do, it is possible. Sitting off the coast of Texas on Galveston Island. Usually these videos are about swim, bike, and run in our crazy lives, trying to get PBs and running. But today we're going to have a look at what my YouTube channel and its videos make. Let's take a look. Alright guys, so we're in the behind the scenes of my YouTube channel. We're in YouTube Studio and we are looking at my content. I'm super excited because I've recently resurrected this channel. It was started 5 years ago, and we just had a lot of things going on. I was racing professionally, triathlon, and you know, when you do something like that, your focus has to be all on that. Channel kind of went to the wayside, but just last November we've been back at it, and I'm pumped that things are starting to roll again. And you know, these are some of our recent videos. This one was posted 6 days ago, doing not too bad. It's close to 9,400 views now, which is exciting. But what we're here for is to look at the money that these videos make. So first things first, let's look at the videos that have over 500,000. Here we go. Here's a video, over 800,000 views. And we're gonna click it. Let's go to the analytics. Here, right away, we can see that this video has made $2,309. Back before I was a YouTuber, I used to think that a video with this many views would make so much money, you know, $20,000, $30,000. And hey, it is possible, but that's through other ways. We're looking at strictly AdSense, and that's the commercials that are played on your video. So this one, with me not doing anything at all, just letting the video be on YouTube, it's made this much money. Okay, going back to the content screen again. Now we're going to look at a video with views closer to that 100,000 mark to let you know how much a video makes with that kind of, well, look, we have one here that has 146,000. Let's check out its moolah. So this video with 146,000 has made close to $400, so significantly less. It's a good video. These two videos that I have shown you so far, they're both what we call evergreen videos. They were made a few years ago, and they are still making money as we speak. And it might not be big bucks. I would say this video every single month is making about $5 a month, you know. But if you have several of these videos, at least at this level, it adds up. So let's go back to the content. And let's look at a more newer video. So here's a video that was made just a few months ago, and it's got 2,100 views. It's about my buddy who is the fastest swimmer in triathlon. And as you can see, a video with this amount of views has made $6. It's definitely possible to make some money off of AdSense, but at this point, my channel has 16,000 subscribers. We don't make that much money, as you can see, from AdSense. If you want to make a real living off of YouTube, other things have to come into play. And usually when your channel reaches around 15,000 subscribers, like I said, we have 16, companies start knocking and they start wanting to do collaborations with you because you're getting consistent views every time you release a video. And that's been exciting for me because we've just reached that level and companies are indeed starting to knock. So we're trying to grow the subscriber count. As a matter of fact, when you're watching this video, put in the comments how many subscribers do you see on the channel. I'm hoping a year from now it might be double or even triple. We're gonna go big, and that's the goal. If you have a goal of really becoming a YouTuber and making money off of YouTube, making a living off of YouTube, I want to tell you it definitely is possible. If you have that desire alone, I believe that you should be a YouTuber. Everybody has something that they can share. It's you're either super entertaining or you're trying to just give information from experience that you have. In my case, I'm giving information about stuff that I love, swimming, biking, and running, and it's insights that I've had over the years, and I think that can really help people. And something that's helped me make the videos good is that I used to teach and coach, and I currently coach athletes, and they ask me certain things, and then I give them responses that I know will work. And I'm doing that with my videos, and I think that's why they've been successful. So think about something that you do that you can share with others. Think about how you would teach them to do it, and then make a video about that. and you have a great chance of it becoming successful. Guys, thanks for watching this video. I can't wait to share the next one with you. The next one will probably be more about the stuff that we love to do, swim, bike, run, triathlon, sports. But you never know, we'll make another type of this video if the demand is there. If you guys want to see more insights into how the channel works and how we make money, how affiliate marketing works for us, I'll be certainly happy to share that with you. I like being transparent. So until next time, take care and we'll see you later.